race is not for the weak. The one with the big heart will prevail. Be prepared. Are you ready? I'm sure you are. Let's go! Toys and candies!
Ryan, how can we pay the rent from Ken? It's so expensive.
Don't worry about it, Max. I'll figure something out.
But how? We're running out of time.
Well, Max, I have to create a noise so that people will know our business. Or maybe I'll talk to Ken about lowering our rent.
Well, you have to act fast, brother.
I can do it, brother. Are you having a good time, girls?
Yes, we are!
I'll just drop by Ryan's shop to collect the rent. Wait for me, okay?
Yes, we will wait for you, Ken!
Hey Ryan, I'm here to collect your rent.
Hi, Ken. I'm sorry, but I can't pay your rent right now as I'm having financial issues. Can you give me a little bit of extension?
What extension, Ryan? I already gave you a lot of time to pay me.
But your rental fee is so expensive, Ken. All I'm asking is a little more time.
What a nice looking car here. Is this yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
I got an idea. Why don't we race for it? If you win, I will forbid you to pay the rent. Plus, I will lower my rental fees. But if I win, I will borrow this car for 1 month until you pay my rent plus 10% interest. What can you say, Ryan?
Looks like a fair idea, Ken. Let's do it.
Awesome!
Okay, I'll see you in the plaza later. Hi Barbie, are you enjoying the show?
Yes, Ken?
Let's just wait for Ryan to show up. Oh, I think he's here already.
Awesome!
Hi, Ken. Are you ready for our showdown?
Of course, Ryan. As a matter of fact, I invited my media friends to cover our race.
Awesome!
Alright, see you in the racetrack then.
Let's race!
Bobby reporting for Toys and Candies News. We are now here in the plaza as we will cover 2 of the fastest racers in town, Ken versus Ryan. Let's see who will emerge as the winner. This race is not for the weak. The one with the big heart will prevail. Be prepared. Are you ready? I'm sure you are. Let's go! Who do you think will win? Let's find out as we approach the final stretch.
What a tough race. I admire your courage, Ryan. Don't worry, you are free from your debt. Besides, I have no interest in a 10-second car anyway.
Thanks, Ken. I appreciate it.
Don't worry, Ryan. Next time, I'll get you. You better be ready for it.
I'm looking forward, Ken.
Did you enjoy this week's Fast and Furious inspired episode? If you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Bye!